Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about my lead gen secrets. How am I doing with this journey? But more than anything else, every single Monday, I cover my lead gen secrets because it is the best traffic source in my low ticket traffic source, in my opinion, that you should be having in your business. Whatever offer you have, whatever you are doing, I believe it's one of the best traffic sources to have. It's a beginner friendly traffic source, and that's why I'm talking about it on this channel. So I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you guys more. My dog's in the background, guys, but we continue to make these videos because I do it for you. I want to document my journey, and I want to share with you exactly what I'm doing to be able to make consistent sales online with my lead gen secrets. Okay, guys, I'm here on my laptop, and the first thing that I wanted to share with you before I go into actually talking about my strategy, talking about my lead gen secrets, I wanted to give you guys proof. I started using my lead gen secrets in March in 2023. I've known about this traffic source since 2019, if I'm not mistaken, but I got started just this year because I had a lot going on in the last few years, and I decided to follow the strategy, and I will share with you guys the strategy in a second. But by the way, guys, if you're watching for the first time on this channel, I want to welcome you. I document my journey completely with affiliate marketing on this channel, so you can feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along. If you want to get started, all the links are in the description. Specifically, the first link will be to my lead gen secrets, and the rest will be for everything else that I'm doing, all the resources. I'm very, very transparent on this channel. So you can ask whatever questions you have. I will answer them as transparently as possible. And you can also join my Facebook group, which is in the description of this video, in case you want a little more support from me. That being said, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos. And I'm very, very happy to get into this strategy with you. So I wanted to share with you, okay, first and foremost, proof that this strategy is working for me and my lead gen secrets is working for me. So as I said, I got started in March of 2023, and you can see that I've made over 93 sales so far with using my lead gen secrets. I track everything that I do with MLGS, and you can see the tracking code is MLGS, and it goes way back to March, showing only 50 over here. But if I go to maybe 250, you can see that I will be able to show you right from March, which is the first actual sale that I made. So 93 sales totally is what I made with my lead gen secrets with this traffic on multiple products, not just one, but I have one fundamental product that I use. So far, that means 93 sales have resulted in $2,357.60 of sales. So that's the price that the people or the leads from my lead gen secrets have paid me through Warrior Plus, because I use Warrior Plus as a marketing network that I basically have the products hosted there, and then I am an affiliate marketer, so I share a link and people buy and I get a commission. From that $2,357.60, I've earned commissions of $1,530 just from my lead gen secret. So this is definitely a consistent source of income for myself. It's a very strong part of my strategy. And as you can see, weekly sales, every 3 to 5 days, I make sales. It's just working for me, and I believe that it can be the same for you. Obviously, I cannot guarantee you those results, but as you can see, no one can tell me that my lead gen secrets leads do not convert. It's a very beginner friendly traffic source, and so that's what I wanted to share with you on this channel. The link in the description, the first one, will be to my lead gen secrets if you want to get started. So let's go ahead and actually talk to you about my strategy. The strategy that I have, as you can see, step one is I use my lead gen secrets for one specific purpose, and that is to make sales. I do not use it to build my email list. I do not. The way I use it is I use my lead gen secrets to be able to make sales first and foremost, and then I use those sales to invest in my advertising to build my list. So indirectly, my lead gen secrets is helping me build my list, but it's using the money rather than the leads to be able to actually build my list through other paid methods, because I do not want to do this. Let's say I want to leverage my time, and that's why I'm using my lead gen secrets, because it takes a long time and takes a lot of money also to generate 100 to 200 leads every single day. So in a nutshell, my lead gen secrets product gives you 200 to 200 leads every single day. That's the product. The conversion of those leads is up to you as a marketer. So if you don't make those conversions, if you don't show up and actually be responsible for your actions, then you're not going to make those sales. You have to be consistent. You have to be emailing. You have to be testing out things to see the conversion rate that's there. So that's the aim over there. It's a cash flow generating step for me. And then I use it to build my list. So let's go ahead and just talk to you about My Legion Secrets. I use My Legion Secrets in a couple of ways. If you see this whole strategy right here, this whole first step, there's one thing that comes to my mind, which I want to share with you, the logic. Okay, so the logic behind it is, yes, you can send it to a landing page and you can collect the lead and it goes to your landing page and you have that lead forever. Great. But I'm going to be using My Legion Secret, which is providing me leads, 100 leads every single day, 100 to 200 leads every single day. And it's going to take a long time before I reach 200K, which is around the threshold. I'm not sure exactly threshold is, but it's around 200K leads. It's going to take me years for me to get 200,000 leads on My Legion Secrets. So why do I need to send the leads to now my email list, which if they don't convert, I'm any which way it's going to delete them. So I'd rather keep them on My Legion Secrets as a platform. And the whole step with My Legion Secrets to an offer to make a sale is the same thing that I would do with my own email list. If once I collect a lead on my email list, listen to me because I think that the logic behind this is needed to share with you guys. Once I collect a lead on my email list, I'm sending an email out to those leads, right? And then those leads will go to an offer directly, will go to a sales page directly. And then I make those conversions or I make those sales with the emails that I'm sending. So technically, the first step is exactly the same of me treating My Legion Secrets as my own personal list. I don't need to transfer those leads into another platform. I don't need to do anything because My Legion Secrets has made it so simple that, you just go to the mailing system. They have an autoresponder. You write your email, you add your links, and you send the email once every 24 hours. It's a perfect way to keep the skill sets of email marketing or copywriting also in place. And you're learning along the way, you're testing along the way. You can see the statistics, as you can see right here. How many clicks am I getting? When am I doing good and when am I doing bad? How many people have opened my email? Should I change my approach for the perfect timing? Should I change my approach for the subject line that I have? So it's allowing you to analyze these things as an autoresponder would do, or as like a system would do for yourself on your email list. Is giving you this data that you can learn from it as well. So that's one of the main reasons why I personally like the system in itself. The second thing is that these leads convert, and I've just shown you guys proof of that these leads convert, which means that I need to test things out. Now I'll show you an example right now on this page. You can see the email that I sent on the 20th of October. This is a no to perfect timing, which means I just sent it without ticking the box of perfect timing, which basically allows me to send it at a perfect time to everybody. I just sent it. Whoever clicks on it, whoever gets started with it will actually get started with it and click on my link, and that's going to tell me a story itself. I'm testing things out all the time. So I'm using My Legion Secrets as an autoresponder that automatically gets 100 to 200 leads every single day. That being said, they do have also a threshold. The first threshold, and you can see it actually in this screen at the moment, the first threshold that they have is the 9,000 leads. So you can send to only 9,000 people with this threshold. You can lift this threshold if you want. All you need to do is email support, and support will let this threshold be. So technically I have, and I want to show you guys so you see it. If I go to my mailing system, I have 44,000 leads, 44,300 leads, but I only send to 900 people, 9,000 people, 9,000 leads. The reason why I do that is because basically the older leads don't get my email, just the newer ones. So every day, if I'm getting 100 to 200 leads added to my list, I'm only leveraging, I think it's around 90 days or 30 days, maybe 30 to 40 days. I'm not sure how much exactly, but that's a month and a half of people who have joined. So it's not a long time ago. The older ones, they've stopped getting my emails. So the people that are getting, I'm just going to select this and you'll see the earliest leads are from September. So it's just a month, like a month and a half. Yeah, just a month and a half worth of leads that I've got are getting these emails. The ones before September are not getting my emails. That doesn't mean I've lost those leads. Those leads are there. But this is a way for me to clean my list because I cannot go and delete these leads. I mean, if I want, I have to go here, and I think I have to select here. I don't even know whether you can actually delete, but I don't believe you can download the leads. You can't delete them. So because you cannot delete them itself, what I do is I leave the 9,000 as a threshold so that I'm only sending to the newest leads that I have. So my list is fresh. I'm getting consistent clicks on it and keeping that click rate high and everything high because I want to make those sales. Now, obviously, when I hit the threshold of the most amount of leads that I can have on this account, and I have only one account, by the way, on this account, then I will most probably ask support to let go of the other leads so I can email all the 200 leads, and I'll do that for another 6 months so that I can email as much as I can. And then when I see that account is not converting, I will most probably will open a new account at some point of time as well, and then continue the same approach with the new account. So it is maximizing my efforts on this account first and foremost. And right now it's the best way, it's the most organic way to make your list fresh, clean, and you don't have to worry about open rates. You don't have to worry about click-through rates. You know that there are buyers on these lists because it just needs consistency. You're not sending or you're not repeating the same message to all the people who have been on a list since March. Usually on my email list, on my personal email list, I delete the leads every single month. So I'm doing the exact same thing on my email list. The non-participating leads, let's say, I throw them out of my list. Why do I do that? Because I want to have an active list. This 9,000 threshold allows me to have an active list on my lead gen secrets, and I use it as my own autoresponder, which automatically gets 100 to 200 leads every single day. So that's the mindset behind it. Like I said, it's a very beginner-friendly a beginner-friendly traffic source. It costs just $30 a month, and I'm making already much more than that. My net profit is about $200 plus every single month. Net profit, guys, that means above sales and everything else, above the amount that I spend on my lead gen secrets, I'm making $200 a month. So it's definitely something that I recommend to you. And if you're interested in it, you can go ahead and join. Otherwise, I'm still going to be sharing these videos because, as I said, it's a very much a fundamental part of my whole step and strategy. So first step is in order to generate a sale. That's what I'm using my lead gen secrets to do, generate sales. Yeah, that's it. You have to show up. That's very much true. And if this is something that is interesting for you, I'm going to leave a link to my lead gen secrets in the description. Feel free to get started. Feel free to reach out to me. And I hope that whether people join me or not, and I'm going to say this very transparently, whether people join me or not, I'm going to be making these videos. I'm going to be documenting my journey, and I'm going to be sharing with you these strategies because I do not focus on making sales in my lead gen secrets. I focus on making sales in my actual product. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I hope this video was educational and helped you understand the logic behind the 9,000 threshold as well. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next video.